Today we're going to be making chicken quesadillas with some chicken tenders, some shredded cheese, and then some tortillas. I started off by finding the number of carbs, fats, and proteins in each of the ingredients based on the serving size. The chicken turned out to have 0 carbs, 7.1 grams of fat, and 31.24 grams of protein. The chicken had 188.86 calories. The tortillas had 42 grams of carbs, 5 grams of fat, and then 6 grams of protein, as well as 237 calories. The cheese had 8 grams of fat, 7 grams of protein, and 1 carb, as well as 99 calories. Here we have our defrosted chicken, which we put on a pan, and then we put it in the oven. After taking it out, we looked to see if it was cooked, and then we cut it in half just to be sure it was getting well done. And then we cooked it, and then finally we peeled the pieces apart, put them onto a buttered tortilla with to go back in the oven to cook. There's the chicken we cut apart. Here you see me putting on 1/4 cup of cheese and spreading it, and then closing it just to put it back in the oven to finish cooking. I pressed it down just a little bit so that it could stay closed and cook all together. And then I put it in the oven to cook for another couple minutes. Finally, we pulled it out. After taking it out, we flipped it and then turned it back over just to put it back in the oven just to be sure that both sides got done the same amount after flattening it down just a little bit more. And then finally, we brought it out for our finalized product. Final product ended up having 524.86 calories, 20.1 grams of fat, 44.24 grams of protein, 43 grams of carbs, and then the amount for the cost breakdown was $2.16 for the chicken, 37 cents for the shredded cheese, and then the tortillas were about 50 cents, adding up to a total of about $3.03 as our final total for the chicken quesadillas. And then finally, I attached pictures of where I showed my work when working out to find all my calculations for the total cost breakdown in the carbs, fats, calories, and proteins.